Hey everyone, my name is Revian. I'm one of the injectors here at BeautyFix Med Spa, and today we're going to be talking about treatments to make you a low maintenance girly. So, treatment number one, lip filler. It can enhance your own features, give you a little bit plump, as well as hydration. So, once all the downtime is gone and it's completely healed, it'll just look like your lips but better. So, you just need a little bit of chapstick and lip gloss, and you go about your day. Treatment number two, under eye filler. My favorite. So, people say when you get your eyes done, it looks like you got a lot of sleep. You just came back from vacation. It helps with a little bit darkness, helps definitely with the hollowness, and you just come back looking more refreshed when you go back to work. Treatment number three is microneedling. It helps improve fine lines, stimulate collagen, and your skin texture. It also makes your makeup go on buttery smooth. Treatment number four is the easy peasy Hydrafacial. It helps cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin, which we all love in this New York winter. And lastly, treatment number five, laser hair removal. Who wants to shave? Who likes ingrowns? Let's do some laser hair removal and get rid of all of that hair. Thank y'all for watching. These are our top 5 treatments for being a low maintenance girly. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And follow BeautyFix Med Spa on all social channels. Bye guys!